This video is not about freelancing or blogging, affiliate marketing, dropshipping, e-commerce, and these traditional ideas. No, today I want to share with you a new business idea that I have been testing for 2 months now, and I didn't hear anyone talking about it. So it's a great opportunity for you to start working with this idea today because the competition is still very low. And what's really nice about this idea, you can implement from anywhere, any country, and it's 90% automated, as you are going to see right now. Like any business idea, it's about solving a problem for specific people. In our case, those people are local and small business owners, or simply anyone having a website that faces problems like slow websites, malwares, backups and security, bad designs and templates, lack of support and management, and so on. So we are going to solve their problem by providing all-in-one service and save them a lot of money. And what's really nice about this business, this service, you are not going to do anything. Everything will be automated. You just need to manage things. I call this idea the drop hosting business model. It's somehow similar to drop shipping and drop servicing, if you know them, in terms of automation, but the idea and the implementation is somehow different. Okay, the question now is how to start. Of course, I'm not here to tell you go and build a web hosting company. Of course not. We need a simple approach. I did a lot of research to find the perfect service that fits this business model, and I finally found it. 10web.io. It's like those guys build their service to fit our business model exactly. I tested it. It's a great service. It allows us to implement exactly this business model without worrying about anything. I mean it, anything. You will see right now. Let's go the practical example to see how things really works live right now. So here is my 10web dashboard. These are the combination of my websites and my clients' websites. Now you have a client facing all the problems you mentioned before, and you want to solve their problem. You want to provide this service. You simply click on migrate website, and this one-click migration will move your client's website to your dashboard in minutes. So you will have your client's website here. Let's assume that this is your client's website, just for testing purposes now. Click on it. You will see you will get 90+ speed score automatically with this awesome service. So we fixed the first problem, website speed. If you go here to backups, you can click on manage backups and then schedule automated backups on daily basis, every 12 hours, even real time. You can even download the backup if the clients want it. So everything is automated. We solved the second problem, which is backup. If you go here to tools, you can simply install a free SSL. We solved the third problem. You can go here to image optimizer to optimize the images also for free. All these services and tools and features are available with the website when you migrate it. That's awesome. Let's go now to the AI builder. Look at this. I will show you now something really shocking. Let's say your client liked a website design. Let's say this website, Backlinko. So he told you, I want something like this one here. You just get the URL, copy it, Ctrl+C, you go here, click add a new page, and then click on AI recreation and insert the URL with the title, anything you want, and click on recreate. Now, 10web with the power of AI will understand this page design and clone the same design for your client or for your website here. It's really awesome. Let's wait a little bit and see the magic. Okay, it's done. I open the page. Let's see. Exactly the same design, the same page. And simply you can click on edit with 10web builder and change the images, do whatever you want. It's that simple. Change the image here, the title. You have exactly the same design, the same header also, everything. So this is really perfect. You can create headers, footers. You can add new pages based on pre-made pages like services, like portfolio if you want, menus, anything. So this AI builder is really awesome. It helps you a lot. It's super easy to create the perfect websites for your client in minutes. Now maybe you are wondering, okay, what if my client faced a technical problem, something I can't solve? What can I do? Don't worry. I told you this business is worry-free. What's nice about 10web? They provide 24/7 live chat support, and you will have, as an agency, you'll have a dedicated Slack channel for you. So anytime you face a problem, just ping the support, they will solve it for you. Don't worry about anything. You can see here on Slack, there's a dedicated channel for me, for H-Educate. You can see it. So don't worry about support. Everything is solved here. Not only that, let me show you the awesome features inside 10web. Just in 5 seconds. Malware removal, free SSL. We have an additional Cloudflare Enterprise CDN add-in. You'll get up to 60% boost in performance. You will get DDoS protection, firewall. You have the AI builder. We have the back-end speed optimization. You can add users. If you have a team with your friends, you want to build the business together, you can add all the team in this workspace and work together. You can create staging websites. You can white label this. Let me show you this. This is an awesome feature, white labeling. If you go here back to the website and you go here to white label, then let's say you want to name your plugin as My Awesome Service, anything you want, and you can upload any logo you want here. And let's choose the website that we are testing, apply. Then if we go back here to our website, you will see now manage My Awesome Service cache. So the plugins now is white labeled. Your client will see your brand, your name in their website. It's like a professional service. And what's really important about 10web is the simplicity of the platform. You can learn everything in like 1 week and start the business. Now it's time to do some calculations to see how much money we need to invest in this business and what is the expected earnings, what is the expected profit. Let's see. Okay, so this is the pricing page inside 10web and we are looking at the agency plan. We are running a business. So if you switch to the annual plan, you will save 30%. It costs you $60 per month with the annual plan. With this plan, you get everything we need and 10 free website slots. So you have 10 clients ready to manage with this plan. In my case, I charge around $37 or $36 per client per month. So my profit is around $30 per client. You can see here, one website costs you around $6. So my profit is 36 minus 6, which is $30. And with the CDN add-on, I charge $6. So my profit will be around $32 per month. You don't need to set the same price. It depends on your country, on your region, in which country is the client, what type of website, and what type of service you want to provide. I will tell you in a little bit also how to scale this. You can charge maybe $100, $200 per month, as you will see right now. Just some patience. So the annual plan costs $60 per month, and this is what you need to invest in your business to get all these services and the VIP support that you need as an agency, as a business. Not to worry about any problem or any technical problem you face later on with your clients. Not only that, if you are ready to start this business, 10web this week is running the biggest discount of the year. An extra 30% discount this week. Ends November 28th, I think. If you use the link in the description, you get this extra 30%. So the client will cost you around $4.8 with the agency plan per month. And you can increase your profit. Don't be in a rush. You have 1 week. Go now to the comment section. Ask any question you want. I'll be here to help you, to clarify everything you want. If you are ready, go click and start this business. Not only that, in this video, I will share with you the starter drop hosting guide. A PDF will show you all the resources, everything explained. The common questions is in this PDF. You'll be able to download a little bit now. I will share with you the link. Then you can read it and you will have everything to start this business. And it's totally free. Okay, now you got the idea. It's time to get your first clients. So first of all, set your target goal to get a maximum of 3 to 4 clients only. Since 10web costs $60 with the annual plan, then 3-4 clients charging only $20 per month will help you pay all the monthly fees. And all other clients from now on will be your pure profit. So how to get our first clients? Simple answer, outreach. We don't want to use any paid methods, paid ads or paid advertising, nothing. Just with outreach, and mainly with cold mailing or LinkedIn outreach or maybe contact forms, any way to send a message to a potential client. That's all you need to start and get your first clients. To do this, you will need mainly 4 things. Let's say we are going to cold mail prospects or potential clients. So you need a professional email address. You can get one with Google Worksuite or maybe with Zoho, free business email. You need a service, a software to send cold emails. You can start with Gmass. It's also simple and you can start for free. You need a service to validate emails before you send. You can go with 8 Super Tools, my free service. And number 4, you need an email copy to send to your potential clients. And I will give you this for free also. So everything will be in your hands to start with this business. As I told you, it will be available for free with the starter guide in this video. Just some patience, I will give you the link to download. Okay, now the second question, how to find potential clients to contact. It's not that big deal. Let me show you an example. So the first method is Google Maps. We said that our target clients are local business owners. For example, let's say you want to target people in Switzerland. You go here, let's say clinics, for example, and it will show you now medical centers in the country you targeted. And of course, you'll get information like the phone number, if they have a website, their location, this is the website, and so on. So you can search for businesses through Google Maps, or simply you can just navigate the web. For example, let's say you want to target people in a certain niche. For example, in the cooking niche. You can go and find websites here. Just try to go down in the list to find not the top websites, because I think already they have a team managing the website. Let's say in page 3, this website. So what you are going to do, get this website for example and go to Google Page Speed Insight and check their page speed. So if you find that this website is somehow slow, it will be an opportunity for you to contact and tell them I'm gonna fix your website. You get the idea? So just pick a niche and search for new websites, for business websites, local business websites on Google Maps or simply on Google. Test them, check if they have any problems with SSL, with the speed, design, anything, and contact them and offer your help to solve their problem and manage their website. It's somehow simple. As I told you, you'll find everything in the starter guide. The copies will be inside. So this website performance is 78. Not bad. It's better to find something with performance 50 or 60 or less. So this is somehow optimized. Anyway, you got the idea. In this way, you can search for clients and customers for your business. So you need to target 3-4 clients at the beginning to start and grow this business. Before we move on and show you how to scale this business, I want to talk about something maybe it's important for you, especially if you are a beginner. If you feel that this business idea is somehow complicated and not for you now, even though it's an opportunity, but let's say you feel it's somehow complicated to start with as a beginner, you can simply use the same ideas, the same approach, but as freelancing gigs. What do I mean? You can simply provide this service as a gig on freelancing websites like Fiverr, Freelancer, Upwork, and so on. For example, you can provide a service to get 90+ speed score on the website. You can provide a service for web page cloning, designing with the AI builder, or simply WordPress installation, or even you can join their affiliate program to earn 50% commission for the first 12 months. Now, what about the payment? A lot of people contact me, ask about payment methods that doesn't work in their countries and so on. What's nice about this business model that you can get paid with whatever way you want. It's up to you and to your client. With Payoneer, with PayPal, with bank transfer, maybe offline payment, any way you want. It's up to you. Now, in the last minute, I want to share with you some tips and ideas to scale this business. Please focus very well. It's only 1 minute, but it's very important. Before we go in, please don't forget to download my starter drop hosting guide. You'll find the link in the description. Just download, get it, and get started. So, how to scale this business? Let me give you some fast ideas. First of all, you can go and start creating content on social media, on Medium, on YouTube, to get more awareness and to get more clients. The second tip is to start your own business and create a professional landing page so clients can see your work, your other clients, testimonials, and so on. Number 3, after you get some clients and you have some extra budget, you can run and test paid advertising, of course, after you learn about paid ads. And the most important tip in scaling is providing add-ons and additional services. Like in my case, for example, I provide some marketing services. So you can provide lead generation, you can provide uptime monitoring, SEO strategy, content creation, and so on. Anything you feel you can provide to your client and give more value in a one package. For example, one simple skill you can learn right now is content planning and research. You can learn this skill by watching this video here and provide it as an add-on or maybe a dedicated gig and sell it as a freelancer on freelancing website. If you have any questions, I'll be waiting for you in the comment section below, especially after I publish this video. I'll be active, or you can simply join us on Discord with my YouTube membership. And don't forget to download our drop hosting starter guide. See you later.